Alright, so the rain came. Very much so. You can see it down between the stable and the garage. The flood that comes down from the fields, the horses' field. So yeah, okay. We definitely needed rain, but we did not need this much this fast. So what I tried to tell you before is that we had just this summer making new drain tiles across from the garage over the driveway and up there with the ponies. Because when it rains heavily and in the spring when the snow melts, this right here, it happened before. So we have been digging and putting in new drain tiles, like I said. So I was hoping that this wouldn't happen, but I guess it did. So afterwards I have to go out and assess the damages that the water is doing. I'm really happy that the rain came. I'm really not happy that it all came at once. But what can you do? Looks like it's gonna stop soon. It didn't really quit. It actually came more. But hopefully this is like the last cramp. Because can you see how the water is boiling? Now it rains heavily. Okay guys, as you can see here, the water that was flowing took some of the dirt with it. Charlie. And here you can see that is quite a lot of water. If I put my hand in, is that much water. So yeah, it's quite a lot. Oh my God. Jesus. We fixed this for like 2-3 weeks ago. Oh my God. Well, that was just great. Well, Mother Nature, what you gonna do? There's really not much you can do. Just repair the damages. It came a lot of water, Jesus. Look at the field. I'm not sure if you can see. I'll try to zoom in for you guys. See here? The grass got thrown down to the ground. And now it starts to rain again. Hi, sweetie. Are you hungry for breakfast? So, good morning, guys. Today is the day after the big rain. As you can see here already, the water has been dragging soil and I'm not sure what subus is, but I'll look it up. And here you can see all of this soil is thanks to the water. When it flooded, the water took the soil down with it. And you see here and here, so much devastation. It really has been destroyed. It's been wrecked. All the nice work we did here for about a month ago is now ruined. The water has really made its own way. It comes down here and it was supposed to go into the soil and behind the garage. but instead it came here and just made its own way here and took everything with it down there and a bit down there and down towards Lucy and Frigga. I think we will wait before we do anything about this because it's supposed to rain. The forecast says that it's a possibility for a lot of rain Friday or Saturday. We won't do anything here until then. But today it's going to be a nice day. It's going to be warm but not crazy warm. So I'll try to get some practice in with the horses. Get some training done with Major and maybe Maja, and some hosing down for Cirkel. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm looking forward to this nice day with the horses, and check out our next training video. Hopefully that's gonna be a good one. I did get a practice in with Major and Maja this weekend, but my video stopped and my camera didn't work and I did something wrong with the app, so everything was just, it wasn't, you guys weren't supposed to be that one. You guys weren't supposed to see that video, obviously. So but I'll try to get one done today. So hope to see you soon.